All right. So good evening, everyone. Welcome to another online math class. This actually is the most interactive online math class. So those students who are coming to this class, you are fortunate. This is the most interactive online math class. Most people cannot learn online, but here is a class. Once you pay attention, you will learn by God's grace. So we are looking at the homework, and the first question, I'm reviewing it, is 5 is greater than all right, so 5 is greater than 2x minus 3. All right. You're solving just as an equation. So I carried my -3 on the other side. And guess what? The sign changed because it's no longer -3, it's +3. All right. So now your 5 plus 3 is 8. So you're left with this from the above equation. 5 plus 3, 8. And my greater than 2x. Now, 8 is great. So sorry. Let's look at this one. So we're dividing by 2. Now, 4 is greater than and equal to x. So this means if 4, look for your 4, which is here. 4 is bigger than the values for x. Here are my values. And 4 is bigger than 3. 4 is bigger than everything. If we should continue this number line. All right. If 4 is greater than and equal to x, it implies that x is less than, so you have to change the sign. So these two values are the same. There's no difference. So if I have, let's see, 5 is greater than 1. Everybody agree with that? That 5 is greater than 1?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, it also means that 1 is less than 5. Is that true? If 5 is bigger than 1 or greater than 1, it means that 1 is less than 5. Everybody agree with that?
Yes, sir.
So it means that these two are open your mouth.
Same.
Are they
Is the same, sir?
the same? Thank you, Darius. They are the same. Jalia, thank you. All right, that's important to note. Everybody have this down already? I'm going to erase it. Well, not erase, but moving on to number 11. All right, let's go. Number 11. The people who did the homework, you all got this as your answer. You were to express it on a number line.
Yes, sir.
All right. So x is less than 4, so, and equal to, less than and equal to. So that means you are including the 4. All right. Number 2. Well, it was question 11. You just did 10. 4x, no, 4 minus 3x less than and equal to 10. So we're going to take the 4 across, leaving me with negative 3x. Or we could just say we are getting rid of the 4 by subtracting it. It's positive, so we have to subtract. Whatever we do on one side, we do on another side. You could write it like that. All right, so that negative 3x is less than and equal to 6. All right. Jedidia, what do we do from here? Jedidia, what do we do from here? We have negative 3x is less than 6. What do we do from here? Jedidia? All right. She's not here. So, Darius, what do we do from here? We have negative 3x is less than 6. How do we find for x? What do we do from here? Darius, is everybody hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Um, so,
So,
so yeah, Darius.
so negative, well, 6 over negative 3.
Yeah. Now, once you divide by the negative number, so once you divide by a negative number, right? So x, you cannot put x, you cannot do this. This is wrong, right? Our answer now, because we are dividing, our answer is x is greater than and equal to minus 2. Everybody understands that?
Yes, sir.
So our answer, let me erase the wrong one, because I don't want people doing the wrong thing. CXC like to bring these questions. Any question? Naomi, any question?
Yes, sir.
All right, number 12. Number 12. Put your answer. Put your answer in the chat for number 12, please. Everybody, put your answer in the chat for number 12. I will tell you if it's right or wrong. All right, everybody have the answer? All right, so let me look at what you all have. You need to no, you need to state it as an inequality, please. You have to state your answer as an inequality, please. State your answer as an inequality, please. Take your time. And then you have to represent it on a number line. All right, so let me see the answers. Naomi. Correct, Naomi. Wow, very good, Naomi. No, no, Matthias. You made a mistake. Garcia, your answer is, don't forget the unequal to. You have greater than Garcia, but don't forget the unequal to, and then your answer will be correct. This one is a tricky one, number 12, I must say. Requires a little more from you. All right, so this is a Form 5 math class. So, Udaya, right. So, Udaya, that is correct. So, I want you to write it now. Put in X first. I want you to write it, put in X first, Udaya. Jedidia, can you hear me? Jedidia.
Yes, sir.
All right, great. I didn't see any response from you yet. Jacob, I didn't see any response from you. Jacob? Jacob,
Yes, sir.
I didn't get any response. All right, okay, Jolene. But your answer is no, but if you're including the one, you have to have one in your range too. You have one. Julia, I don't understand your answer. You'll have to explain that. Yes, Udaya, that's correct. All right, so let's look at question 12. 22. No, 22. 12. 12. All right, so let's go. So I'm doing it on the board. So we're looking at number 12. The question was 4 is greater than and equal to 9 minus 5x. So we're working it just as an equation. Take the 9, so it's 4 minus 9, which is negative 5. is greater than and equal to minus 5x, dividing by -5. But once you divide by negative sign, that sign will change. So x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So notice we have 1 is greater than x. But we don't want it like that. We want to talk about x first instead of the 1 first. So remember I said x, when you change, put the x on the other side, the inequality sign changes. Now, x is greater. X is greater and equal to 1. Everybody okay with that? I forgot the 1 is greater than. All right. All right, people. Anybody lost? Want me to go over what I did? There are 12 people here. Anybody lost? Come on,
No,
man.
sir.
So everybody okay with this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm happy to hear that. Deshaun, I didn't hear talk for the day. Deshaun, you okay with this or you want me to go it over?
Yes, sir, I'm okay with it.
All right. I'm happy to hear that. All right. I want the answer for number 13, so I'm going to put it up. Number 13 was very similar question. All of them had the same flavor. 10 is less than 3 minus 7x. All right, put your answer in the chat. Send it privately to me. So that just goes to show how we have to be really careful when doing these questions. All right, send any answer in the chat, please. Send your answer. Take a picture. You could send it to my WhatsApp. Take a picture, send it to my WhatsApp. There's nobody. Oh, okay. One person out of the 12 just sent an answer. Naomi. Correct, Naomi. Correct. Garcia. No. No, Garcia. Yedaya, correct. Jada, no decimals. Sorry, not in this one. That's wrong. Jacob, is it 1 or -1, Jacob? Check back your answer. Is it 1 or -1? Jacob, check back your answer. Deshaun, yeah, but where's the inequality sign, Deshaun? You have to give me more. All right, so I'm seeing people now sending stuff. So Garcia, correct. Your answer is correct. Jalea, right? So Jalea, put X first and give me an answer. Matthias, no. Deshaun, correct. Jedediah, Jedediah, your answer is correct. Very good, Jedediah. Jalea, your answer now is correct. Very good, very good. So I'm just recapping. So when I put the 3 on the other side, it becomes negative. So that would be 7 is less than -7x. Now, remember, once you divide by a negative value to find for x, the sign changes. Seven on -7 is -1. Oh, the sign changes. I didn't change the sign. And of course, this is x. But we don't want our answer like that, people. We don't want our answer like that. So you're going to put x first. And once you put x first, so there are 2 ways to change your inequality sign. When you're dividing by the negative value, and when you put in your value on your right, on the left, the sign changes. So the answer is x is less than -1. Now, in my book, when I'm writing it down, I put therefore, ... 3 dots. All right, so let's go to question 14. So we're moving along fairly okay. People, I may sound okay, but I'm not. I'm really weak, right? My shoe got wet. My shoe got wet yesterday, so I walked in it, and then today was okay, but I'm still not 100%. All right, number 14. 8 minus 3x is less than and equal to 2. All right, going. This won't take you long. There's one more thing in inequality I want to show you. I'll show you next class on Monday. Today's Wednesday. On Monday, But I want you all to remember the graph paper. So I'm going to put it in the chat that graph books are needed. All right. All right. So let's go. Number 14. You had 15 questions. So all right, let me see your answers, please. Could you all take a picture and send it to my WhatsApp, Shalomi, so that I could actually see how you're working the question. So we're doing number 14. No, do it, send a picture in the WhatsApp, my WhatsApp, please. All right, so let's look at some of the answers. Well, one person sent, and that's Naomi. Oh, so let's check the answer, Naomi. Let's see if she stated down her work well. That's what I'm looking for, actually. Naomi, question 14. Naomi, that's correct. Well done. And the statement is pretty good. Your statement is pretty good. Jalea could send a picture for me. I just want to see that you're stating down your work well. Matthias. Matthias, X is less. That's correct. Matthias, that's correct. So 14 is one of those easy one. Julia, could you send your X? Oh, okay, Julia. So you're correct. You're correct, Julia. I wanted just to see how people are stating down their work. Yedaya, that's correct. Proper statement as well as you drew the oh, so I'm forgetting. Thanks, Yedaya. That you have to put it on a number line. Oh, okay, Matthias. But I like what I'm seeing. Jada, any answer for me? Jacob, could I see an answer for you, please?
So I send mine.
All right, great. Simply marvelous. Johan, say I didn't get anything from you. Johan, say your. All right, Matthias, that's good. Darius, remember you're dividing throughout by -3 in your third line, Darius. So your sign has to change, Darius. Check it again. Darius, your sign have to change. Uh, uh, Garcia, could you put inequality sign under inequality sign, please? Your answer is correct, Garcia. But try to be a little more neat. Um, Jacob, I'm not understanding what you're doing. 3x. Oh, I see a mistake. When you take the 8 across, Jacob, why is it still positive, Jacob? When you take a 8 across, Jacob, why is it still positive? The sign's supposed to change. Correct, Deshaun. Your hands here. Question 14. Um, Johan say, can you please put equal sign? Well, it's not equal, it's inequality sign under inequality sign for me, please. Then you would have, okay, Jacob. Then you would have been able, Jada, no. No, Jada, that's not correct. All right, I'm doing it on the, people, can you all keep your inequality signs under each one? So this is -3x minus 8 plus 2. Jacob, it's -8. So -8 plus 2 is -6. Garcia, um, beautiful. Yes, Garcia, well done. All right, now Marcus, not Marcus, Darius, because this is -3x, I have to divide by -3. Now, if I divide throughout by -3, notice the negative signs canceling and the 3 canceling. The sign changes. So the negative sign cancels 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, 2. So it works out easily. X is greater than 2. One more question. Number 15. And then we'll stop here for the evening. I will give you a past paper question. Oh, remember last day we were doing a past paper question? I'll send it on the chat for you to do. Oh, no, you're not ready for that yet. There's one on Monday's class. I would show you how to do that. Number 15. X minus 1 is greater than 2 minus 2x. All right? So how are we solving this? We put in all the x's on one side. So x, that negative 2, bring it on the other side, so it becomes positive 2x. And the negative 1, when it comes on this side, it becomes plus 1. So now you have 3x is greater than 3. Dividing throughout by 3. If I was dividing by negative 3, then the sign would change. But I'm only dividing by 3 to find the value of x. So x is greater than 1. Any question? Any questions?
No, sir.
All right. I'm going to give, I'm glad we have 5 minutes. So I want to show you something. All right. This is new. If you're, and this is what CXC like to bring, if you are given x plus 4 is greater than 2x minus 1, which is greater than 3. Don't get so concerned that, oh, CXC killing me. What are they giving me? No, work this half first. So I'm going to write this, do it in parts. So it is x plus 4 greater than 2x minus 1. So that's the first part that you want to look at in this question. Now, the second part that you need to look at, and let me show you, just move it across to here. Say working in parts of 2's, group 1, group 2. So let's write this now. So it will be 2x minus 1 is greater than 3. So let me recap. If CXC should give a question like this, remember you have to break it up into 2 groups. X plus 4 is greater than 2x minus 1. And this is your second group. Slide across. So 2x minus 1 is greater than 3. Let's work it out together. I'll give you 1, and that will be it for the evening. So I'm going to bring my 2x on this side. And I'm going to take my 4 on the other side. So this is now negative x, negative 5. Anybody lost? So that I'm going to divide by what? What I'm dividing by? Somebody open their mic.
3.
Now, notice I have negative x is greater than negative 5. Negative x is the same as, so what am I dividing by? Here.
So 1.
Not 1. Try again, you're almost there. It's not 1, it is negative 1. Because this is the same as negative 1x. So I'm dividing by negative 1. So people, the negative signs will cancel. The ones will go as well. So now I have x is greater than the negative signs cancel 5. So our first value is that x is greater than 5. Let's look at the next one. So we have 2x. Please put the inequality sign under inequality sign. So 2x is greater than 4. We divide throughout by 2. The sign doesn't change because we are only dividing by 2. So x is greater than 5 and x is greater than 2. I'll give you 10 seconds to make sure that you have it. And then I'm going to try to give you 1. So 1, take it down quickly. 2. All right. So let's try 1 and that will be it for today. Let's try 1 and that will be it for today. Solve the inequality. 2 minus 3x four minus x All right, go everybody. You can do it. Go for it. All right. So let me look at people's answers. I saw one, Jada. Jada, that's your final answer. The first one is correct. The next one is wrong. All right, Jada, your first answer is correct. So remember, we have to divide this question into 2 parts. So that's part 1, and then 4 minus x, part 2. All right? Answers, please. Answers, please. Come on, people, you can do it. You are smart. We have some smart children in the class. If not everybody, you can do it. Give me an answer. No answer? Or you all are sending it to my WhatsApp? All right, so now the first answer comes. Well, Jada, Naomi, first part. No, Naomi. No. If I Oops, sorry. If I have minus 3x and I bring that other x over, it will now be positive x. And if I take this 2 over, it's now 2. So that's a hint. That's a hint for you people. Come on. All right. So I'm seeing some answers from Jalea. All right. It's just blank, Jalea. I don't know if you were sending something to me. All right. Second part, Naomi. Oh, x is greater than and equal to. Well, that is the same thing. For the first part. People, what is negative 3x plus x?
Negative 3x.
No, negative 3x.
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x. All right, so I'll give you all a better hint for the first part. Now we notice that we're dividing by negative and negative values, so the sign will change. Naomi, keep that in mind, Naomi. So when we divide by negative 2, it means the sign, the inequality sign changes. So x is greater than and equal to. Oh, I had the wrong thing. Yeah, you all are correct. Somebody gave me this answer and I told them it's wrong. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I rushed to do it and did the wrong thing. So yes, the answer is x is greater than equal to 1. 3, when I bring the 4 over, it becomes negative 4. So that's minus 1. So we divide and throw out by negative 1. So x, remember, once we divide in by a negative value, the sign changes. So x is greater than and equal to 1. I think I did the wrong thing. I did the wrong thing. So people were giving me this as answers and I was telling them wrong. So I'm sorry, Naomi. I think you had given me, you had given me your answers and they were, the first one was correct. Yeah, your answers were correct, Naomi. So sorry. Jalea, I think as well. All right, people. So look out for homework. I'm giving homework like this one because these are the ones that most recently I've been seeing CXC giving.